Let's start. Welcome to the Foundation Infrastructure Working Group meeting. There aren't many pull requests. Let's see what we have here. Oh, it's already approved. And the CLA stuff is also fixed. I think that was the problem we had last week, right? Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Yeah, it was easy CLA. That's fixed now.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know if this is actually a problem. Ramon got a new release. We have a 9.0 now from main. Yes, since yesterday. So main is stable again and has been moved to the foundation infrastructure BOSH, our Concourse instance. So we now have BOSH.ci. Here we have something BOSH bootload. Not logged in, probably. Yeah, there it is. So all green.
Great work.
Yeah, that's actually great work.
Quite used to the BOSH bootloader in the CF deployments and also
Yeah.
in the CF FS4 stack I saw. They also
yes. I also saw that apparently, like internally, we are also using it for like some like testing of other like of our TAS product, right? Our commercial thing. We're also using Bubble, so apparently it's used quite a lot. I mean, it's not shipped, but it's like in our CI, it's used there, and so
yeah.
Oh yeah, great work from Ramon. So I'm gonna ask if they have tried with that version, because like basically everything is different in that version.
Yeah.
Or everything, yeah, a lot. Let's make that not supported. It's not. I mean, it's not tested. I don't know if it is probably possible. It would probably require some like manual Terraform steps, as in you need to go through intermediate Terraform versions. And we're not like doing that automatically because we're only shipping one Terraform version.
Oh yeah. No, different colors.
I mean, yeah, let's leave it at that. Maybe they, I don't know, like if they are running a, they have a long running environment or not. So probably like someone maybe at some point will wants to figure out like how to upgrade. It should be doable. It's just not tested or documented, and I don't think many people are actually interested. At least I think all the use cases that I know of is mostly like CI, so it shouldn't be painful or a problem to upgrade. Do we actually want to reach out to the deployments working group?
CF deployment. Oh,
Yeah, CF deployment, because they are also using Bubble, right? And I think at some point we discussed that they might want to try this version.
we can reach out. I can ask Johan. Yeah, I can. I will reach out to him.
Yeah. Because like the sooner we can get people to switch over, like at that point, like if everybody switched over, we can tear down the old CI. So we still have the old CI also running, and that runs from an old branch, and it's currently broken. So people just should like update till the new version. But if we still need to fix, I want to keep it around for a bit, because we might want to at some point cut another like 8 series release until we have some more mileage on the 9.0 series. So say like in a month, maybe we want to get rid of the 8 series or CI. So this is basically it's still let's keep it in the inbox because I don't think we need to review it at this point. Ooh, what's this? Docs. So many people doing docs things.
I also just did the doc thing, but not in Bosch. Don't know, yeah.
People are annoyed or something by docs. Yes, this is true. Yes, this needs to be merged. I already looked at it and it looks good. So do you also think it's a good change, Behan? Because then I can
just a second. I will approve them much. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Was the wrong one, of course.
Oh, it's taking so long. Well, please.
It's done. It's done. It's done. Sorry. been fixing stuff in the services docs, that's why.
I see. We want to look at some of these old ones because there's nothing new. Oh, there was also a PR in the Bosch IO repo, right? I think so.
Do you mean the one which I opened?
Was it? I don't know. Yeah, maybe. Was it against web or was it?
It's again web, most probably.
There was also. Okay, this is.
Oh no, this is something different. No, it's just against the index, releases index. But it's not yet. Just a second. It was against releases.
Yes.
Yeah, releases. But it's maybe we can review the one in the community so that we get the new repository and they can add the Bosch release to the repository and then we can merge this one.
Oh, I see. This one, yeah. So you first have there's a dependency. That's
yes,
here.
yes.
This one, this one.
Yeah.
Ooh, it already is approved by a lot of people.
Yes. And I can maybe then ask Greg to merge and then yeah. Thank you. So I will leave Greg to merge it. And yeah, this is we need to wait on this until we have the.
Yeah, and it probably also no, actually we can just do this, right? Because then we just have a failing pipeline. I mean, yeah, otherwise we have
okay.
like,
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, this should be fine.
Okay, if you think that it's fine. Yeah.
I mean, yeah, like we do have an. I think there's a thing that needs to be run, right? There's an. This doesn't happen often. Where do you have to go?
You mean this is a manual action or?
Yeah, I need to do something manual to sync this to the. Here, after merging a new release, remember to run the worker sync script.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Meta for bullets.
Sync pipelines. I don't know what's gonna do. Let's see. Oh, something. Token. Not authorized. Ooh. Ugh, fly out of sync. Well, I think I'm not sharing what I'm doing.
No.
Share, and then this one. So, ooh, what's that?
Go 116 missing.
Oh, that's a really old Golang. Yes, that needs
Yeah.
to be, I don't know, 20. Yeah, so I haven't done this in a while.
Sure.
But that's why I thought we are already done with all the PR, so we have some time, and otherwise this will be something you have to wait on down the line.
Yeah.
So this thing and this repo or this sync script actually generates the pipelines. Sync pipelines. What does it actually do? I think it does some Go stuff. Yeah, generate pipelines is a Go thing.
Mhm. So updates the pipeline with the latest index.
Yes. And I don't know if it uses this. Probably uses this. Let's pull that for sure. Yes.
Oh.
And this is pulling down the world. Apparently, if you touch something, yeah. Okay, let's look at some other issues first while this.
Yeah.
Shall we look at some old ones?
I had so there was a question by Chris regarding how Bosch Docker works. Have you looked into? So we have the Bosch CPI organization in Docker. So my understanding is that we will end up with only one org at Docker Hub called Foundry, and we need to move everything from Bosch CPI. Or what? Have you?
Yeah, there was a question about that at some point.
Yes.
But I also thought it was less urgent at this point because they are not going to terminate the accounts.
Yeah.
Was that like something, or is Chris still trying to get people to consolidate stuff? Because I mean, it's just work, right? And it's not getting us anything.
Yes, let me check what is in his email. I just remembered today and said, okay, we have the meeting. Urgent. No, it's not urgent. Sorry. Something else. Too many emails. I can't find his email anymore. I don't know why. No. Okay. No, it's about whether you are active in the org or not. It's about cleaning. Okay. Anyway, we can forget this one. I think we are okay with the Bosch CPI organization.
Yeah, I don't think we want to, like, with the amount of, I don't know, like we already have trouble getting that, like, migrate or consolidate into the Cloud Foundry org with the Bosch.io GitHub organization. We already have trouble getting that prioritized.
Yeah.
Like at this point, like on the VMware side, we have way too many like internal things asking us to adopt internal tooling and stuff for, I mean, for example, for authentication and stuff and management of cloud accounts. So like that's like already a lot of work that touches every repo. So we cannot do too many of these like internal standardization and refactoring things at the same time. So I think this would also fall into that category, and with the amount of other things that are happening, I think it will not get done anytime soon.
We can close and ask to reopen if they still think.
That one just needs to be closed. This has been fixed. Ah, yes, this one we can address. As in,
I think this can be closed. So the creation timestamp is updated by Bosch, and somehow it's not possible to. We missed this one somehow.
thought this was from SAP, right?
Yes, but somehow we missed this one, so there is no comma. So we didn't
Yeah, I
react
see.
on. I was wondering how we missed it.
Yeah. I believe we have like talked about this one, like in the TOC call or in this the working group meeting, but maybe we haven't commented.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I remember.
Yeah. The problem is it keeps open the connection, right? It doesn't time out.
Yes, we were thinking how can. Yeah.
Is this still an issue, or have you all found the workaround, or shall I close it and then we can reopen it?
Most probably it's still an issue because we want to support fast recovery of the director on a different AC. I don't know why. Maybe just ask whether they found a workaround or it's still an issue.
Yeah.
We can close next week if there is no need. Mm-hmm. Yeah, Matthias observed on some of the directors that we have orphan tasks. They haven't been cleaned up by the logic. We have to clean up orphan tasks. There is no explanation why. I think I also already referenced this.
Was that one already?
Yeah.
Oh, that was this one, right?
Yes. Yeah. So he didn't walk into details why they haven't been cleaned up by the director. Whether we have an issue with the logic or not.
Okay, because we also had those. What were these? What was this again? Was that stuff from Constantine? Yes. Right.
Yeah.
So wait, you're saying that yeah, so this fixes an edge case, right? But it could be that before this fix that things got stuck in a state. So let me check, what's the Why is it not picking up the tasks?
My understanding is that something happened and the tasks. So at least what Konstantin fixed is the task has been executed, but the update in the tasks table failed, so they stay somehow in an orphan state, in a queued state forever. And it wasn't clear here whether the task have been executed or not.
But if they haven't been asking, like I'm wondering, they shouldn't be cleaned up, right? They should just be picked up and executed by the director. Why is the director not picking them up?
Yeah, that's why I was thinking that is the same issue. They have been executed, but just the update in state update failed.
But shouldn't they like go from queued to running and then like success? I thought that the Konstantin's fix was about the.
So I think he observed also task in queued state.
Oh yeah, here he said queued. Yeah, in queued or another state.
Yeah.
Okay. Right, that's what we want to know.
Somewhere he mentioned that he observed this after. This is an issue. What is this? This is an issue.
No, he's saying exactly that's the case. Task.
I don't know. I remember that he was saying that the director has the fix already, but I don't know where.
Oh, it says it's in.
Yeah, here, yeah. It seems that it's not working for us. Yeah, because I asked him.
Yeah, but no, but this is not like it. This fix doesn't address the cleaning up, right? It won't. It just makes sure that you don't get in that state. But for the ones that are already in this state, it won't fix it.
You mean all tasks, because the fix has also some cleanup in it.
Does
You
it?
mean yes?
Oh.
If you go Konstantin change it.
Oh, add cleanup. Oh, add cleanup for orphan tasks without delayed job entries.
Yeah, yeah. He implemented a schedule task which clean up stuff at the bottom. You'll see.
So this stuff.
If you go down, there's clean up.
Okay, yeah. Then that should also clean them up.
Yeah, and my question was why this doesn't clean up tasks.
Yeah.
But Matthias didn't walk into details why. Yeah. That's fine.
Okay, I mean, can leave it open. Let's see.
Mhm. We had this one.
Yes. Oh wait, huh? Oh, they moved to the top
No.
because of
Yeah.
the temp, the sync run during that.
This was.
I'm gonna try this one.
Mhm.
Because I don't know. I don't know how to progress on this one.
Yeah, me too.
Actually, the inactivity is from our side.
Um,
Maybe not so nice.
yes, good point. um, Ramon, I actually wanted to try this out with the new colleagues we have here.
But this is for a specific IaaS, right?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, if I remember
Yeah.
correctly. Ubuntu Bionic. So we don't have Azure with Bionic.
This is a really old commit. Didn't I call? Okay.
Gosh, agent files.
Yeah, but the weird part is this, right? It waits 12 minutes.
But 600 seconds, maybe 2 minutes to start the VM and then the timeout of 10 minutes.
But
the agent,
yeah, sure.
Doesn't start at all. Push means the completion.
Yeah, that makes sense. They are running a really old stem cell.
Maybe we can ask whether he had some progress on this. We don't have any, I don't know.
Because what's the stem cell bionic? Yeah, we're way past that. Okay. My dinner has just been is ready, so I'm gonna leave it at that.
I wanted to do plan something for Co-founder Day, or should we do something regarding Bosch for Co-founder Day?
Yeah, maybe. So Konstantin also wanted to maybe submit a talk. But yeah, I think it would be good to give like a working group update or something. Right, like with a bit of like what the recent feature. I think there was even like a category for that, like for working group updates. So maybe that makes sense. I already submitted something to do with supply chain security. See if that gets picked.
Okay. Yeah, I can submit then something for working group update if no one is planning to do that.
I talked with Konstantin and he wanted to do that as well, maybe. I mean, like together with me, but I mean, it makes sense if we're doing the working group that you would also be a speaker, I guess. I mean, I don't mind. Like I have already submitted the talk, so but you can do it as well, and then maybe Konstantin does it as well. It doesn't really matter. But yeah, I think we should do a working group update.
I also don't I mind if you can. I just wanted to zoom here how to proceed. It's fine for me.
Okay.
Yeah. So that means Konstantin will submit a talk.
Yeah, I will check with him. I think he wanted to have a talk so that he could justify going. I mean, he's based out of Germany, so it would make sense for him to
that's
come.
why. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah.
So, and also like I think he has more in-depth context on certain things because he like was more involved with the implementation and stuff. So
fine.
Okay. Thanks.
Okay, then enjoy your dinner and have a nice evening.
Bye.
Ciao, ciao.
Bye.
Bye, bye.